Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Today we wanna learn how to take the derivative of logarithmic functions. But don't worry, it's actually very simple. Let's start with the natural log. The derivative of ln of f of x is equal f prime of x over f of x. Means the derivative of inside divided by inside. That's it. For example, the derivative of x is equal, the derivative of x is 1 over x. Okay? The derivative of ln of 2x squared plus 1 is equal, the derivative of 2x squared is 4x and the derivative of 1 is nothing, over 2x squared plus 1. Or the derivative of ln of 3x to the 4th power plus x cubed is equal, the derivative of 3x to the power of 4 is equal 12x cubed plus the derivative of x cubed is equal 3x squared over 3x to the power of 4 plus x cubed. Okay? Or the derivative of ln of the square root of x is equal, the derivative of the square root of x is equal 1 over 2 times the square root of x over the square root of x. If we simplify this fraction, we have 1 over 2x. Or the derivative of ln of sine of x is equal, the derivative of sine of x is equal cosine of x over sine of x. The derivative of inside divided by inside. So we have cosine of x over sine of x is equal cotangent of x. Or the derivative of ln of cosine of x is equal, the derivative of cosine of x is minus sine of x over cosine of x. So we have negative tangent of x. So the derivative of ln of sine of x is cotangent x, positive cotangent of x, and the derivative of ln of cosine of x is negative tangent of x. Okay? If y is equal log base a of u, so y prime is equal u prime over u times ln of a. U prime means the derivative of u over u times ln of a. For example, if y is equal log of x, so y prime is equal, u prime means the derivative of x is 1 over u means x times ln of a. The base is 10, so times ln of 10. Okay? Or the derivative of log base a of x is equal, u prime means the derivative of x is 1 over u means x times ln of a. Okay? So the derivative, for example, log base 3 of x is equal, the derivative of x is 1 over x times ln of 3. Or the derivative of log base 4 of x squared plus 1 is equal, the derivative of x squared plus 1 is 2x over x squared plus 1 times ln of 4, because base of this log is 4. The derivative of log base 5 of sine of x is equal, u prime means the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x over sine of x times ln of sine of x. That's it. Okay guys, look at this problem. The derivative of ln of x squared plus 1 over x minus 1. You can use this problem in two ways. The first way is by using the derivative rule of the natural log, which is the derivative of x squared plus 1 over x minus 1 over this fraction. Means the derivative of x squared plus 1 over x minus 1 prime over x squared plus 1 over x minus 1. But wow, solving it this way is really complicated and takes a lot of time because you need to use the quotient rule and take the derivative. But the second way, which is a bit simpler, is to first simplify the expression using the properties of the natural log and then take the derivative. We know that ln of a over b is equal ln a minus ln b. Okay, so we have ln of x squared plus 1 over x minus 1 is equal ln of x squared plus 1 according to this formula minus ln of x minus 1. Okay, so we can take the derivative. So we have the derivative of ln of x squared plus 1 minus ln of x minus 1. So we have the derivative of x squared plus 1 is equal to 2x over x squared plus 1 minus the derivative of x minus 1 is 1 over x minus 1. That's it. It's very simple. The derivative of ln of the square root of x squared plus 1 over x minus 1. So we have the derivative of ln of the square root of x squared plus 1 minus ln of x minus 1. Okay, but remember that ln of a to the power of b is equal b times ln of a. We can bring the exponent down. Okay, so the derivative of ln of, we can write x squared plus 1 whole to the power of 1/2. Okay, minus ln of x minus 1. Okay, so we have the derivative of 1/2 times ln of x squared plus 1 minus ln of x minus 1. And finally, so we have 1/2, and we know that the derivative of ln of x squared plus 1 is equal to x over x squared plus 1 minus the derivative of ln of x minus 1 is equal 1 over x minus 1.